Sharp and Fade lead the way into turns 3 and 4. Watch Ron Calhoun.
Get her done!
Where's the white guy?
Where's Double Zero? Not that series?
I don't know where he is. It's the same series.
CRS truck race?
Yes.
Fade gets a little bit high. Looks like she washed up a little bit high in turn 3.
My car's on fire. Oh, we met. That seems unhealthy. I don't think he should. Okay.
Turn 3.
Oh.
Mayhem broke loose.
The trucks.
The pace quickens. Watch Ron Calhoun now as he checks the alignment out.
Uh-oh.
Felix said we're back underway with our... DeFosse in third. Now a challenge for a second. Now the second.
Same schedule.
These trucks are definitely lightning quick. Brad Copeland runs down there. Shot at DeFosse in second.
Yeah, I know.
How long does it take these beginner stocks to
Puff
go?
leads the way. Here's 3. We're on the way.
Oh, that ain't good. Hey, you didn't fireball that time. Oh, dear.
Back in there. Second look to the inside of DeFosse. Can't quite put him away. For second place. Now he runs next up.
Send it to every cow, get it done. If every man is leader, would that make every woman in the church? Good race, good race, good race, good race, good dog, good dog, good dog.
race now? 53 truck does not go.
Oh my gosh, send it for
Here's the
God.
green. We got underway. And Copeland. Copeland's come now, Craig Ray. Should be down to that straightaway. Side by side, wheel to wheel. Copeland now eases out ever so slightly.
Lead! Lead! He made it.
Is there a 3 car out there? Is there 1, 21, 3? Oh yeah, 3 left.
Coming back.
Brad Copeland continues to lead.
Come on, 21. Get back out there.
Bailey lost.
You can do it. Come on, 21. Go. Come on, 21. You got this, buddy. Race on the track. Come on, 21.
Brandon Huff definitely is not letting Brad Copeland get away, but there's just not allowing him to do that.
Come on, 21. You can do that.
Let's continue to play this 30-lap CRS feature.
You can do that, 21. Come on. No, he can't. Every lap traffic will help you. bit more. 2 laps to go. That's all you got.
Ready to go!
Got it. Push it. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Number 1.
There you go. Bump him. Bump him. 1 more lap. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on. Come on. Bump him. Bump him. Bump him. Why are you on the outside? That's not smart. That was not smart.